Hello guys, today we have a very important topic, data representation, especially numbers. If we write a number, random number we use in daily life like 9, 3, 5, 6, random number. This number in CS called number in decimal form, base 10 especially. If we look, we find that the elements in the number maximum is 9. So the elements in data representation, especially numbers, is from n is the base, sorry, from 0 to n minus 1. N is the base. So if we write numbers in binary form, is a very important numbering system. So the number is from 0 to 2 minus 1. That's equal 1. So we find it 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, like this. Okay. There is a lot of numbering system. Any base you want. Base 16, 5, 4. But if you write number in base like 12, so it's from 0 to 11. Okay. How to write 11? If we write it like this, like 11, 5, 3, 2, how we will read this 11 or 1 1. So we got an idea that the number after 9 we will name it as a letter, not a number. So 10 is A, 11 is B, and so on. So in base 16 hexadecimal numbering system, we use this 215 that equals F. Okay. Today we will take how to convert from any base to decimal form. If he has this 10110, sorry, I will convert it 11010. That's in base 2. How to convert it to decimal form, the normal numbers. This is its index is 0, 1, and so on. This is index equals 5. So we will multiply the number this 0 multiply the base power the index, so it's 0 by 2 power 0 plus this 1 multiply 2 power 1 plus 0 multiply 2 power 2 plus 1 multiply 2 power 3 plus 1 multiply 2 power 4. That will give us 26. So this number in binary form equals 26 in decimal form. This is a general idea for any base to convert it to decimal base. As another example, 2, 4, 3 of base 5. What give us in base 10 decimal form? Stop the video and try. You got this? First, this index is 0, so 3 multiply 5 power 0 plus 4 multiply 5 power 1 plus 2 multiply 5 power 2. That will give us equals 73, so it's equals 73 in base 10. Something harder, A to B in base 16. I tell you that A, B is numbers after 9. So A equals 10 and B equals 11. Sorry, it's this base 16. What's equals in base 10? A equals 10. So that equals, sorry, we begin from the right. So 11 multiply 16 power the index is 0 plus 2 multiply 16 power 1 plus A equals 10. 10 multiply 16 power 2. That equals 2603. So equals to 2603. I will give another number. Base 3, 3, 2, 5. stop the video and try. If you tried and it give you a number, so you are tricked. The elements in this number must be between 0 and 2, so this number isn't correct. Don't make anyone fool you. The next video I will explain how to convert from any base to any base. Like and subscribe and wait for the next video. Bye.